Hey fellas, welcome back to Mahira's Kitchen Zaika. There, every dish is made with love and full of flavor. If you're craving something rich, automatic, and absolutely unforgettable today, you've landed on the right video. Today we're taking simple ingredients and turning them into spectacular restaurant quality dish right into your kitchen. Trust me, your family is going to ask you for a second. Let's jump straight into the magic. Today we're making the authentic Kothmir Vadi, also known as Coriander Fritters. We'll start with mixing green chilies, cumin seeds, garlic, and salt together. Now we're going to take ground flour or a basin flour, along with the chopped fresh coriander leaves. Now we're going to add the turmeric powder, and then we're going to add the chili paste directly into the flour. Now we're going to add chopped onions. Now we're going to add the rice flour. Now let's season it with coriander powder. Moving over to me through the memories that only in the shadows on the ceiling. Garam masala. Whiskey and the lies we keep telling, I hear a melody start. And red chili powder. As the night wears on, I can feel her start getting close. We also gonna add the sesame seeds. In the background. Some old sweet melody about the life we lead, the love that we never found. I said I love you, I said honey now, yeah, just keep doing. And then last, the salt to taste. If we're lucky, the country music. Now we're gonna mix everything together so that everything blends together with each other in a very proper manner. Now we're gonna add a little bit of oil while mixing so the mixture starts coming together and forming a structure. Now try shaping the mixture into a ball kind of structure. Now we're going to use a steamer tray. We're going to oil the steamer tray and put it on a water bowl. Let's quickly put the ball of mixture on the tray and tap it down till it gets flat using oil in our palms. Gently, slowly, and gradually you'll see that entire ball-shaped mixture gets flat and sets on the tray in an even manner. So here's how the mixture looks like once flattened completely. Now we're going to add some sesame seeds more on it as a topping. Now it's time to steam it. So we take a bowl of water, boil it, and place the tray, the steam tray, on it firmly and cover Cover the lid and let it get steamed for some time.
Secret she keeps hidden high up on the shelf. It's all covered in dust.
After 5 minutes, we will check whether the mixture is steamed properly enough. We check it by putting in a knife or a spoon inside just to see that it's become solid enough. So now our mixture is solid. We're gonna make pieces. So we're gonna draw lines on it and we're gonna make it in the shape of a cube. So we're gonna have first horizontal and then vertical lines.
Said I love you, honey, now, yeah. Just keep doing what comes natural in the heat of the night. And if we're lucky, that country music make everything alright. As the night wears on, I can feel her starting to get close, moving over to me through the memories that only the shadows on the ceiling know. With the whiskey and the lies we keep telling, I hear a melody starting to take hold. As the night wears on, I can feel her starting to get close. I hear country music playing in the background. Some old sweet melody about the life we lead, the love that we never found. I said I love you, said honey, now, yeah. Just keep doing what comes natural, the heat of the night.
Once we are done cutting the pieces, we will remove those pieces out in the same shape, okay? Don't mess with the shape. And then we're gonna fry the entire pieces. Once fried, they would look like this. This is the actual texture, the ready texture of Kothmir Vadi or Coriander Fritters. This is how they look like. Just look at that perfect golden color. It's insanely crispy on the outside, beautifully tender on the inside, and bursting with the fresh aromatic coriander spices in every single bite you have. Thank you so much for watching today's Kothmir Vadi recipe. You're on Mahira's Kitchen Zaika. If you enjoyed these golden, crunchy coriander fritters, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious homemade recipe. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video. Bye!